Hey kids, today we will practice multiplication facts for 4. It's important to know your facts by memory. You should be able to see a fact and then say the answer quickly. For example, 4 times 2 equals 8. This takes practice, but you can do it if you work at it. Here is what we're going to do today. In this lesson, we will first review some vocabulary, then practice counting by 4 a couple of times, and last we will practice our 4 facts 2 different ways. The first will be in order and then randomly. Okay, let's go. The numbers that you multiply, for example, 4 times 2, are called factors. The answer, in this case, 8, is called the product. You can switch the factors and you will still get the same answer. You can also go up and down. For example, 4 times 2 is 8, and if you switch it, it's also going to be 8. Our strategy for today is counting by 4s. Ready? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. That might seem crazy at first, but the more you do it, I promise you it's going to get easy. Let's try that on a multiplication chart, right? I'm not even going to try to say it so fast on this one. But the idea is, for example, 4 times 6 equals 24. So that's how that would work. You can make that connection after a little bit of practice. It'll get easier. Let's practice again, counting by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. I know that seems like a lot, but I promise you, hang in there. We'll practice a little bit more and it'll make more sense to you, okay? All right, you ready? Let's try some. 4 times 0, that's easy. That would just be the 0 rule, and that's just going to be 0. Any number times 0 is always 0. 4 times 1, that's also easy. The 1 rule, 4 times 1 is just 4. Any number times 1 will equal itself. That's also called the identity property. 4 times 2, here's where we can use counting by 4. You just go 4, 8. So 4 times 2 is equal to 8. That was easy. 4 times 3, 4, 8, 12. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4, let's try it. 4, 8, 12, 16. Takes practice, but over time you'll get it. 4 times 5, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. You could also count by 5, right? 5, 10, 15, 20. It's going to be the same. It's just whichever way you like the best for that. 4 times 6. Some people like to use their fingers to keep count, if that's helpful for you. I do that too. Nothing wrong with that. Okay, ready? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 4 times 7. Again, use your fingers if you need to. Okay, ready? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Nice. 4 times 8, right? Ready? 4, 8, 12, do you remember still? 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Good. 4 times 9, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Good. 4 times 10 is easy. That's just a 10 rule. And the 10 rule is you just have to add a 0. For example, the 4, you just add a 0 to it, and you would get 40. 11s are easy also. That's the 11 rule, and you just have to double it. For example, 4 would just be equal to 44. So in other words, 4 times 11 is just 44. 4 times 12, okay, that's a bit of work. Well, let's try that one. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. I know that seems like a lot, but the more you do it, you're just going to memorize it and it'll get easier and easier. Okay, good job. Let's now try it in random order, okay? 4 times 3, ready? 4, 8, 12, good. 7 times 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Good job. We're almost done. Hang in there. 4 times 2, finally a nice easy one. 4, 8. Yeah, as soon as I say it's easy, right? 8 times 4. Okay, ready? We're going to count by 4 8 times. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Good job. 4 times 12. Oh boy, here we go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Nice. Nice and easy, right? 0 times 4, 0 rule, just 0. 4 times 4, ready? 4, 8, 12, 16, right? Good. 11 times 4, that's just going to be the 11 rule. We're just going to double that 4 for 44. 4 times 6, hang in there, almost done. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Good. 1 rule, right? Going to be 4. 5 times 4, we can go 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Or, right, we could try it another way. Just kind of think of it in terms of switching it and counting by 5s, and that would just be 5, 10, 15, 20. So we could do it either way. So enough of that or business, right? 10 rule, 4 times 10, and we could just say it's going to be 40. We just add a 0. 9 times 4, 4. 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. Great. Good work. Thanks for hanging in there. Please keep practicing. Thanks again, and we will see you on the next one.